Hey, what's up? My name is Andrew, and did you know that you can create custom reports for yourself and your clients using High-Level? That's right, this is one of the best ways to automate reporting and communication within your company, so let me show you how it works. On the sub-account level, under Reports, our first screen is Custom Reports, and this is where we can create our customized reports for ourselves and our clients. A great use case of this is creating an advertising overview report, which I've done for myself, to send out at a scheduled daily frequency so that way you can stay on top of all of your marketing. We can view this report by selecting it like this, and each report is completely customizable with all of the information you want to include on it. For example, this report includes a Facebook ads report, a Google ads report, and a website or funnel page view widget here so we can see views we're getting to all of the different pages on our website. Now, whenever you create your custom report, you can include all sorts of widgets and elements in all of the different categories ranging from contacts to appointments to emails, calls, conversations, and general account activity. You can also select a chart type being numeric, donut, line, bar, horizontal bar, and tables. So you can view all of your data in the way that's right for your business using these custom reports. And then when sending or scheduling these reports, you can schedule their frequency between daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, or annually. You can include a time, date range, comparison date range, as well as lots of other customizations to efficiently deliver these reports to yourself and your team. Building custom reports for yourself and your clients is one of the best ways to automate communications and keeping up with day-to-day activities within your business. So I highly recommend you check this out. As always, I hope you learned something new. I hope you found this helpful, and thank you for watching.